I purchased this Honda HRX 217 lawnmower in 2017 and have used it over the past 4 years without any maintenance or oil change. Despite this, the mower runs great, but I figured I would give it a complete tune-up and record every step for this video. I started with a deep cleaning of the exterior and underside of the deck. I used the soap foaming attachment on my power washer to thoroughly soak caked-on grass and dirt, and then brushed it off. Since the lawnmower deck is made of Nexite, which is a plastic composite, there was no rust and minimal accumulation of packed-in grass clippings. The mulching door and bagging attachment area does accumulate a lot of dirt and grass, so make sure to spray it thoroughly. For my tune-up, I purchased a kit with oil, blades, spark plug, and air filter from Amazon. Make sure to shut off the fuel and disconnect the spark plug for safety. To remove the lawnmower blades, you will need to put a block of wood into the mulching bag chute to prevent the blades from turning. You will then need a 14mm socket to unscrew the 2 bolts holding the blades onto the engine. The first blade to go on is the upper mulching blade, which is narrower than the lower primary cutting blade. Make sure to reinstall the bolts with the washers and then tighten the bolts between 36 to 43 foot-pounds. I do not own a torque wrench, so I freestyled the torque. Honda claims the bolt heads can shear off if they are over-tightened, but I doubt this will happen since I didn't go crazy tightening them. Anyway, do this at your own risk. Replacing the air filter is very easy. Just undo the 2 tabs on the air cleaner, remove the filter, clean out any debris, and reinstall the air filter cover. To remove the spark plug, you will need a 13/16 spark plug socket. After removing the spark plug wire, turn the spark plug counterclockwise. Here you can see the difference between the new and old spark plug. There is very little wear on the electrode on the left, and the spark plug is relatively clean with minimal carbon buildup. Make sure the new spark plug is gapped correctly. Mine came within spec from the box. When installing the new plug, screw it in a half rotation more after the washer contacts the engine block. The oil is filled and drained through the oil fill port found on the right side of the engine. The fill cap is also a dipstick. I decided to flush the engine by doing 2 oil changes since the original oil looked very dark. As you can see, it looks almost like tar. I took a sample of the oil and will send it to Blackstone Laboratories for an oil analysis to see how 4-year-old lawnmower oil fared without being changed once. I will post a follow-up video with this information, so make sure to subscribe to my channel. I used 12 ounces of Honda brand 10W30 and ran the engine for a few minutes to dilute any dirty oil. You can use any high detergent 10W30 though. It does not have to be Honda brand. As you can see on the second oil drain, the oil is a much brighter honey color. I filled the engine up one more time. Honda recommends engine oil to be changed every 50 hours, so I installed a vibration sensing hour meter on the side of the engine so that it counts the time whenever it is running. I recently purchased a thermal camera attachment for my phone, so here is some footage of the lawnmower warming up. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.